can take a small bite. Just bite it. Gentle. Hey, look at all these wieners. Hi, wiener.
No! I know what you're doing. No!
I'm gonna put my paw. I got one paw up. Hold it steady. Hold it steady for me. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it.
Cannot get this dude to stop following me.
There it is, buddy. Get the treat. It's right there.
Just a regular day driving around with
My box full of puppies.
Told me I could be whatever I wanted, so I became a problem.
Good morning. Stop. Stop.
Can you show me your booty?
Hey. What are you doing?
What did you do? What did you do?
Hola, Ew. Hola, lindo. Oh.
Minding my own business.
Don't blink. Don't even blink. Blink and you're dead. They are. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Are you sweet?
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast.
olha, ó. Pela de não ser caiu, é pra sair.
Holy shit. Ow! Fuck!
Speak! Speak! Good boy.
You haven't even had this toy for an hour.
Come on, man. Touch it. Woo!
Move! That's not what I meant at all. Hello. Can I help you?
Where I used to live.
No. No.
Ordered a brand.
Get the frog back, get it. Get it back. Get that frog.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's sick, boy!
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch him.
Colby, stop. Colby, stop.
I said stop!
Hey, boy. What's up?
You are. Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your spring bikini.
No bite. Hello. Can I help you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I grew a Siberian Husky.
One of my dogs stole an edible. Can you guess which?
Because I got high.
Look at this. Looks like a fucking massacre. I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the fuck is your problem? Okay.
You get mad after you fall.
Okay. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. We get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Where the hell did he put those treats? I could have sworn there was... What the... Tim? It's 3:30. You're supposed to be at work. I'm just being a normal dog here.
Has no impulse control. You better not pee. Oh my god! Mother! Oh, why did it sound like that?
Gonna get me in trouble, but I feel bad. Okay?
Don't tell your mommy. You wanna go? You wanna go swimming?
At least you'll be tired by the time your mom gets home.
All right, Chewy's wagging his tail. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh my God! Thank God. Thank God. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
Solamente en él la salvación se encuentra en él, no hay otro nombre dado a los hombres, solamente en Cristo, solamente en él. Oh, qué precioso regalo Cristo nos dio.
They gave their dog sparkling water to see how they would react.
Te estoy hablando. Es muy temprano para que empieces a fregar conmigo, Rusty. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando. ¡Ay! Pego, verás. ¿Qué te crees? Ah, sí. Pégame y te pego. Pégame y te pego. Ah, sí. Pégame.